Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can set decimal places and rounding on the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator. If you don't have one of these calculators but would like one, check the link in the description below. To do this, we'll use the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the menu key with the Shift function of setup that looks like this, located here, and the exe or execute key that looks like this, located here. Normally, when we do a function on this calculator, like 1 divided by 8, it displays all of our decimals. But what if we wanted to round our numbers to, for example, 2 decimal places? To do this, we press the Shift key and then the menu key with the Shift function of setup. That brings us to this menu here. Then we can scroll down until we see display. Typically, it's set to display norm 1. If we want to set or fix our decimal places, we choose F1 fix here. So we hit that. Then we see this here, select number, fix. This is asking us to select the number of decimals to display. If we're looking for 2 decimal places, we just hit 2 and hit exe. And then when we're done with that, we just hit exit to leave this menu. Now if we do 1 divided by 8, our result has been rounded up to 2 decimal places, and we get 0.13. If we want to get 1 decimal place, again, we can go Shift, Menu, scroll down until we see display, hit Fix again, choose 1, exe, and exit. And again, if we go 1 divided by 8, our result has now been rounded to 0.1. When doing this, it's important to notice that there's the word fix1 at the top of our screen. This lets us know we're using fixed or set decimal places. If we're done with this and want to go back to our normal mode, again, we go Shift, Menu, scroll down to our display, and we want to go back to normal mode, so we hit F3, Norm, and we see Norm 1. We can exit out of here. And now if we do our 1 divided by 8, we see we get all our decimals. And we see norm displayed at the top of our screen, so we know that we're not rounding. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.